It's the choices that we make day in and day out about what we put in our mouths, about how much movement we get, about what time we go to sleep, about who we call and who we interact with and make plans with, about whether or not we meditate or pray each day, or how we manage our stressors, basically. Those daily decisions are what create the trajectory of our health as we age. Now, on top of that foundation, that lifestyle foundation, we can do all the functional medicine pieces. We can look at our toxin levels, and we can look for stealth infections, and we can go to the biological dentist, and we can optimize. I wear an Aura ring, and we can optimize for HRV and for deep sleep and all of these pieces. We can take the supplements, but I almost am at a point, Chris, where I tell people, don't waste your money on that stuff if you're not making those good foundational lifestyle decisions, because all of that other stuff is going to work better if you're getting the sleep, if your stressors are managed, if you're eating the right foods, and you're getting some exercise. The takeaway is this is accessible to everyone. Everyone can optimize their cognitive function, because it's all about those little choices that feel little, but actually have a really big impact on where we end up as we age.